Today, we're raising the bar and elevating our meatball game to another level. These panko crusted Parmesan turkey meatballs are crispy on the outside and juicy and tender on the inside. Best of all, they're simple to make and come together with just a couple ingredients in less than 30 minutes. Here's the recipe. Start with a medium-sized bowl which will mix all of our ingredients in. I already have 1 pound of ground turkey in there. Add half a cup of panko breadcrumbs. Add 1/4 cup of diced white onion. Crack open and add 1 large egg. For our seasonings, we're using 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon Italian seasoning, half a teaspoon salt, and 1/4 teaspoon black pepper. Spray your hands with non-stick cooking spray and then mix all of your ingredients together. Take out another bowl for your breadcrumb mixture. I already have 1 cup of panko breadcrumbs in here. Add half a cup of Parmesan cheese. For our seasonings, we're using the same seasonings but half the amount. Half a teaspoon garlic powder, half a teaspoon smoked paprika, half a teaspoon Italian seasoning, and a pinch of salt and black pepper. Mix everything together. Take out a third bowl for your egg wash. Crack open and add 1 large egg. Whisk it together. Preheat your air fryer on 380 degrees Fahrenheit for 5 minutes. Using your hand or a cookie scoop, scoop about 1½ tablespoons of your mixture and form it into the shape of a ball. Dip the meatball into your egg wash. Then roll it into your breadcrumb mixture. Place the breaded meatball in your air fryer. Repeat this process until you're out of your mixture. I was able to make 14 meatballs with this recipe. Give your meatballs a spray of non-stick cooking spray. Then cook them on 380 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 to 12 minutes. Halfway during the cooking process, flip your meatballs and then finish cooking them. After they're done cooking, remove them from your air fryer. And you're set to serve your panko crusted Parmesan turkey meatballs. These meatballs go great with spaghetti or in a sub sandwich. You could even serve them as an appetizer for your next party. You can store these in the refrigerator for up to 3 days or store them in the freezer for up to 2 months. Thank you everyone for watching. Please consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel for more healthy recipes every week.